somebody told me about art musings and they said you must take your paintings there and show, and they do different kind of works. So I decided to go and meet Sangeeta, and I went there with my paintings. I showed her the paintings and she told us that she liked it and she said we can do a solo show together. So I said fine, and then I walked down the steps with my paintings and I thought a bit. I called my sister also and I just went back and I gave the paintings to her and say, okay, tell me how many more. And then she said 13 more or 13 totally or something. And then from there it started. And then it was wonderful always. Like we've only worked with Sangeeta and we've always worked with art musings only. And it's been a very blessed journey for me.
So when my mum came to art musings with her, roll of paintings, and then has been sold out pretty much ever since. Simultaneously, my mum got in touch with Raghava, who is the only Bangalore-based artist of art musings at the point. And I had the privilege and terror of then being mentored by Raghava KK. Crazy. And in the best way possible ever. So for me, I actually resisted the idea of being an artist for many years because I thought that I wanted to make art that was in technology, embedded on the streets, embedded on a t-shirt, embedded in the sky. Like I wanted art to be everywhere except for a gallery. And then at some point I was like, no, but I really like having my work in gallery. The way that I see this gallery is almost actually like a temple. Like it's a sacred space for me. So when I enter into the space, I always enter in with a little bit of reverence to the Ganesh and Hanuman in the temple outside. And the first show that I did here was called Beloved. Each painting for me really felt like it was, again, a sacred piece of art. And what's been amazing about being in a space like this also for me as someone who's quite untethered, quite, belongs to the sky. Like I sometimes feel like I don't even belong in this planet. Is that there's a very solid lineage of painters who have just done incredible work, like my mom, but also like
and people before us, like the kind
like
of
Satyajit
artists who
Burman,
work,
like
yeah.
Anjali Ella Menon.
To see their works and to know that your works are with their works is it's awesome, and it's like overwhelming.
Like Paresh, like Raza, like all of them.
All of them.
Come
Like
here
to
for
have met Razaji here, to have met Shakti Burman here. Shakti Burman is like I'm crazy about his work, and to have met those people and to be showing with them is a big deal. It's like really nice.
No, yeah, it actually feels like a lineage. It feels like a tether for someone who.
And there's something beautiful that Sangeeta's mom started, and it continued, and it grew so beautifully and organically, and still so committed to what it was without losing the core essence of it.